so glad we bought our RVibrake 3. Brake lock detection's been such a lifesaver. I remember our last trip. Every time I set up our old brake, I was running around, checking brake lights. And there was that one stretch where I even forgot to check and I found out it was holding the brakes down the entire time. I'm honestly lucky it didn't destroy our brakes. But with our RVibrake 3, I don't worry about that anymore. The built-in audio assistant tells me if the brake pedal's being held down during setup.
Brake pedal depressed.
And the command center lets me know if it happens while I'm on the road. It's such a relief to know I never have to stress about this again. This is what traveling worry-free feels like.